Hey everybody, welcome to CRNT Designers. This is Chetan and now let's get started. To make the model, we need to add a plane and then go to the edit mode and then select the stop words and then merge them at the center. And then select this plane and then you need to adjust its scale. So just adjust the scale and then move it along the y-axis. After that, go to the edit mode and add a center loop cut like this. Select these words, right click, connect to vertex path. Select these words and move it along the y-axis. Then select this edge loop and then E to extrude it and move it along the y-axis. And now you need to use the knife tool here and create a cut like this. After that, just take the symmetry and then next thing you need to add the loop cut at here. So with the Ctrl R, add a loop cut like this and then select this edge and E to extrude it and move it along the y-axis. Then select these words and then Ctrl B and then press V to add the bevel on the words and add a 4-segment bevel. That will be good. Then you need to select these edges and you need to press Ctrl X to dissolve them. But before that, you need to create the supportive loop structure to maintain that curve. So that's why use the knife tool and create a cut like this. And then you can dissolve these edges. So use the knife tool here and create a cut like this. So just select the words and give the right position to them and try to achieve the decent shape at there. And then use the knife tool and then create a cut like this. And then select these words and press M and merge at center. So just select these words and use the edge slide at there. And then you can add the loop cut like this, give the right position to the words so you can maintain the curve. Then select everything and then take the symmetry along the x-axis. And now you can see just we need to add few loop cuts on the model. So I will use the knife tool like this and create a cut like this and then take the symmetry along the x-axis. I have an amazing news for you guys. We have launched the Black Friday sale on our website where you will get 50% off on our latest release Nuts and Bolts Volume 1 Hard Surface Kit Bash. You will get 50 designs of the nuts and bolts in this kit bash. If you are Indian audience, then you can pay with the rupees with the UPI cards and other options. If you are non-Indian audience, then you can use the PayPal and cards. And you can contact the crntdesigners@gmail.com. So now I am going to show you how you can buy this product. So click on this buy now button and you will redirect to this payment gateway. You can read all the details about the products and terms and conditions. Then you need to fill your details here and then click on this pay option. And you will get these different options for the transaction. Indian customers can pay with the cards, UPI, net banking and other options. And if you are non-Indian customers, then you need to press on this wallet option. Then there is a PayPal and you can see the change in the currency and then press pay. And you will redirect to the PayPal checkout. And here you can fill your details with the PayPal account or you can pay with the cards and debit cards also. Then you need to fill these details and you can proceed to pay. After paying, you will redirect to this drive link where you can get the product. Just need to download the product and then extract that zip file and then just open that folder and click on this Blender file and you will get your products. This amazing deal is for the limited time, so don't miss it. Get this product. After this Black Friday sale, you will get these products in its regular price. So don't miss this amazing deal. And then you need to add a circle. And we will go with 18 words. Just scale it down that circle like this and then select all words and then press E to extrude it and scale it down. After that, then you need to select both object and you need to join them together. So just go to the edit mode, select these words and press M and merge at last. And then you try to merge these words. And then select these faces and then delete these faces. We can do the same thing to this side also. Now just need to select these edges and need to press F to fill the gap. And here we need to create a right loop structure. So that's why just delete that face, select these edges and then select this edge and then press F to fill the gap. and then add a loop cut like this, and here you need to create loop structure. So use the knife tool and create that loop structure. So just select these words and merge at last, and you can create loop structure like this. Then dissolve that edge loop. Then take the symmetry along the x-axis, and now just need to adjust the form of the model. So that's why you can use the transform orientation tools and just adjust its scale and its position. After that, you can see we are not able to add the loop cuts at there because there are extra words. So just Ctrl X to dissolve this word, and then you can add few more loop cuts on the model. Then you can add the loop cuts like this, and you can create a cut like this with the help of knife tool. And you can use the edge slide to give the right position to the words. Then you can add the subd modifier and increase its count up to 2. Then select this edge loop and then scale it along the x-axis and just try to create a curve form at there. So now just select these faces and then delete them. So just select these faces and press I for the insert operation and then delete these faces. And now you just need to add few more loop cuts on the model to maintain that design. So just add those supportive loop cuts, then take the symmetry. And here you just need to try to refine your model. Then you can add few more loop cuts like this. Then select this face and then delete only face, then select that edge and delete that edge, and then select these words and press F to fill the gap. Select everything, change the transform pivot point to the 3D cursor and then rotate it into the 120-degree angle. Then select everything and then press M and merge by distance. Double words will get merged. And now you will get this kind of form. So just select that inner edge loop and then use the loop tool and then circle option to create a proper circle at there, which looks pretty well. Then we will add a torus and we will go with a major segment 24 and then minor segments 12 and just adjust the scale of the torus. Okay, now you need to select everything and E to extrude it and move it along the z-axis. And just add the little bit of thickness on it. And then you need to add the more loop cuts on the model to maintain the form. So just add the center loop cuts like this and then you need to scale it along its normal. Now you can see after shade smoothing we are facing little bit difficulty because of the wrong face orientation. So just recalculate the normal to get the right face orientation at there. So you can press Alt N to recalculate the normal and then shade smooth it. Now we are getting the decent results at there. So just select these edge loops and then you can use the edge slide at there. So double tap G for the edge slide, or you can use the scale tool to scale them along the z-axis. And now just scale them along the z-axis like this. So just select these corner edges and Ctrl X to dissolve them. So we can add the edge loops at there. And then add loop cuts like this to maintain that harder edges on the model to get that sharpness. Then set the origin to the geometry and then take the symmetry along the z-axis. And then you can add few more loop cuts on the model. So now I will work on this torus and I will try to create the ring out of it which can hold that blade. So it's not that much difficult, just you need to work on it little bit. And now I will create the caps for this blade.